Asset roles are your standard company roles. Think electrician, site supervisor, first aider. Defining these once means you assign the right role to people and equipment fast. So we'll have a few mandatory fields to fill out in this section, but let's go ahead and hit that download template button. You'll notice both these columns are titled in red. That is because there are mandatory fields. Use the drop-down option to choose whether the asset role is for a person or equipment, and then type in the name of the role. Remember, these are your company-specific roles. Back on the onboarding screen, we're going to hit Next, and then drop and drag the Excel file that you just filled out. Hit Next again. The system will verify your data. If there's any errors flagged, head on back to the Excel spreadsheet to fix them up. Otherwise, continue and finish uploading your data. To check your list of asset roles, head to the Asset Roles tab. You can update and add more at any time.